Chapter 51. Having made his request, all Charles could do was wait. "Apparently," said Mr. Lemoncello when he came back into the rotunda, "your Uncle Jimmy is a very, very busy man. Reminds me of a spider I once knew. But it is a Sunday morning. We will attempt to track him down at home." "Thank you, sir. I told Uncle Jimmy to stand by, that I might need him this weekend. And now, whoosh! He's as elusive as the wind in the willows. You'll have to discuss this with him the next time your family gets together for Thanksgiving dinner. Now, if you will excuse me, it is currently 9:58 a.m. Almost time to reopen the Dewey Decimal Chambers." Mr. Lemoncello opened a filing cabinet and pulled out a megaphone. "Is there some room you should be ready to run to? Isn't there some clue or book you need to go find?" "Just one," said Charles, "and I need my Uncle Jimmy to tell me which one it is. Will you keep looking for him, please?" "Of course." Mr. Lemoncello pointed to a smudge on Charles's shirt. "If you like, I will also have Al Capone do your shirts." All Charles could do was nod, smile, and wonder when Al Capone had opened a laundry.